Hey, fourth grade flutes. This is an exciting time, and I know you're going to want to go put your flute together and try to figure out what to do with it. Please don't do that. It's important that when you're doing your lessons, you're doing only what we've done in class. So today in class, we worked with your mouthpiece, okay? What we're working on is finding what I call the sweet spot, the spot in your mouth that's going to get you the sound, okay? Now, your mouthpiece has a wider side and then a side that isn't wide, okay? And you've got your hole in the middle, that's the sound hole. So we're going to be working with the widest side. That's the side that is going to go under your chin, okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to think of kind of smiling, but think of maybe the word ooh. And the corners of our mouth are going to go tight. We worked on this in class. And you're going to, using a mirror or someone to help you, you are going to get that spot on the mouthpiece under the middle of your chin. We want that hole as close to the center as possible, okay? With your hand, which is my right hand, you are going to cover the hole. Now, we did this in class. Remember, flutes, we breathe through our mouth. We always breathe through our mouth. So I'm finding where I think that middle is. I'm going to take a breath through my mouth. Now, fourth grade, I make that look very easy. You're going to have to adjust left to right, forward, back, where your sweet spot is. Okay, you have to move it. If I'm too far away, nothing will happen. I know, fourth grade, where my sweet spot is because I've been doing it for so long. I know by following it with my eyes. My corners are nice and tight. I'm making a little cushion. I'm breathing in. That's the sound that we're looking for, flute, okay? If I lose my sweet spot, I can adjust to find it again. This will take time and practice, which is why you're watching this video. Your goal for the first lesson, once you find your sweet spot, is to breathe and find it again. Once you have your sweet spot, I want you to hold it for 4 beats or 4 counts. So tap your foot, count in your head, 4. So I'm thinking 4 counts, okay? Now, I've only been recording for about 3 minutes. You can stop the video and work on your own off to the side. Once you feel like you're really getting that sweet spot, I want you to do this. This is our next step. You're going to remove it and put it back. We're building muscle memory, flutes. Move it away, follow it back. You should be able to do this about 10 times. It should always sound the same. My muscles have learned what to do. That's what we're doing in class. This is all the stuff that we did today in class, okay? This is video number 1. This is our first day. We're working with that sweet spot. Cover that hole. Find that spot. And remember, we're using the widest part. We're not using this part. This is the narrow part. We're using that wide part. We're using a mirror or a friend to help us. find where the center of our mouth is. And then breathing through our mouth. Hold it as long as you can, flutes. Work the lungs. We're working these muscles. We're building muscle memory. That is lesson number 1. That is lesson number 1. Okay. Our next lesson, we're going to take our hand off and do something a little different. Okay, that will be in the next video. Work hard, take your time, stop the video when you need to. Remember all the things that I talked about. Okay, you're going to do a great job this year, and I'll see you in video number 2.